Here's some nice Mopar muscle, just in at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1969 Plymouth Satellite. Seeing a bright blue metallic paint. Nice looking car. Underneath the hood, it's powered by a 440 V8 paired with an automatic transmission. 440 has been worked over by the sounds of things. A little bit of a cam to it. Sounds like a very healthy engine. MSD ignition on it. Does have power steering. When we get around to the driver's side, we'll fire it up and I'll pop the hood so you can check out the engine bay and hear it run. I'd call this a nice driver quality car. Paint on it does have a nice luster to it. Nice sheen, some metallic in that blue. As you can see, it's riding on Krieger SS's. Give a nice look to this car. Bucket seats, shifter on the floor. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, so you can take a look at the engine bay, interior, undersides, check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can find those. And of course, we can be reached at 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out as much as we can on this one. Now, of course, we can assist with the transportation to where you're located at. Financing is available. We do consider trades. Front seats have some covers over them with the blue highlights in to match the exterior. Again, 1969 Plymouth Satellite here. Flat black stripe across the back. You see the bright work, front bumper, chrome and bright work on this car. Nice shape. Dual exhaust. Like I said, this car sounds great. Nice, healthy 440 underneath the hood. Slip around here. Let's check out the interior a little closer. And we'll fire it up for you. Aftermarket steering wheel, tachometer on the steering column, and stereo. Other than that, looks to retain the stock Plymouth dash. Got the door cards, and seat covers. Rear seat, vinyl in nice shape. Rear deck lid looks good. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear the baby run. You get the right key. The car starts easily. Tachometer doesn't work. Like I said, this one's got a definite nice rumble to it. Slip around to the back. Seems to idle very nicely. A little rumble out of that 440. Imagine showing up at one of your roll-ins or one of your shows. Definitely turns some heads with the sound and its looks. Again, check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Number we can be reached at 507-386-1726. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video a second and pop this hood and check it out. Alright, here's underneath the hood. See, it's finished off nicely there too. Dressed up a little underneath here. Aluminum radiator. Like I said, MSD ignition. Power steering. Polished valve covers. Air cleaner. Running 440. There you go, 1969 Plymouth Satellite. 440 underneath the hood, paired with an automatic transmission. Give us a call if you'd like to know more about this car. Once again, phone number is 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out the still pictures. And of course, we can assist with transportation of this to where you're located at. Financing is available, and we do consider trades. Give us a call.